Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to book multiple hotels on Expedia. First, open the Expedia website or app, go to Stays, and search your first destination and travel dates. Select and book your first hotel. Repeat the same process for your next city or destination. Each booking will show separately under trips in your account. If you want to bundle hotels with flights or cars, use the vacation packages option. You can add hotels for each part of your trip. And that's it. You've booked multiple hotels with Expedia. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.